To the owners, captain and head chef, I am Chef Wayne Dobson and welcome to my video. I want to firstly thank you for taking the time in watching this. Thank you very much. I started in the restaurant industry at the very young age of 13 in our family friend Piero's restaurant, Piero's Tutti Pasta e Ristorante, where I learned true Italian passionate cooking from Piero and all the intricate details going into creating some Italian masterpieces. After which, I followed a illustrious career of 17 years in the restaurant industry. I started with the bases of French cuisine and the basic structures of sauces, whereafter I moved over to Mediterranean cuisine and most importantly, continental cuisine, covering a large variety of different dishes from all over the world. I've experimented and worked a lot and trained a lot of people in British cuisine, South African cuisine and gastropub food. After that, one of the things that I experiment in the most, excuse me, is Indian cuisine. At the end of the day, the spices, the fragrances and the flavors that you get from Indian cuisine is truly, truly amazing. I followed some of the top chefs out there, such as Gordon Ramsay, Jamie Oliver, Wolfgang Puck, Sanjeev Kapoor, watching their YouTube videos and bettering my skills and keeping up to date with some of the top trends out there in the world. When I was young, I knew I had a passion for working with food, and over my long career and working as a training specialist consultant, I learned so much. I've trained sommeliers, bartenders, cocktail bartenders, waiters, cooks, line cooks, pass controllers, and chefs, junior entry-level chefs. So at the end of the day, I've got a strong restaurant management background. And with my restaurant management background, I'm surely able to also assist the chief stewardesses and the stewardesses in any of their duties when needed. I also have a very strong background in construction, having owned and managed my own construction and landscaping company, and also carpentry, having worked with my stepfather. With my father, I've built houses. So with that background in consideration, I'm able to jump in and help the deckhands when needed. I keep my head down and I listen. And somebody tells me something, and I'm a quick learner. So at the end of the day, I'm like an all-around player who can help anyone at any time with any job needed. I've got the needed insight into the industry, and I've been studying up about yachting. I'm excellent at stock control, and I understand provisioning can be a bit difficult, but I've been a master in stock control, and therefore, I believe my provisioning will be spot on entering the yachting industry. I found my sea legs with our power boats, as we've been power boating since I was a young kid, on the Indian Ocean along the coast of South Africa, and Atlantic Ocean down the coast of Cape Town. So therefore, I definitely don't get seasick. I thank you for taking the time and watching my video, and I just want to let you know that apart from all those styles of food, I also have had sushi training. I've got a strong grill background, and considered by many as a master griller, that I believe. Within the next 3 years, 4 years, I want my Michelin star, and I'm sure that with hard work and dedication, I can get it. Maybe I'll get it through you. Thank you so much for giving me the time. I hope you have a great day, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.